This is Ed. Welcome to another Exchange 2016 video in the series that we're busy doing. In this video, I want to talk to you about journal rules. Now, journal rules seems like a big swear word for a lot of people. Back in the day when it wasn't that popular, when it was enabled, a lot of guys would switch to using a second database and then as an archive database, and that would be their journaling. But with places like Mimecast, Symantec, and Spam Experts, the three that are on the top of my head, you can specify a journal rule to say that you want all mail, or you want finance mail, or you want management mail, etc., to be journaled for all messages, some messages, etc. Now, generally, from a compliance perspective, the all company mail is generally journaled, and that's basically your archive. It's sitting in the cloud somewhere. Might also be with Office 365. That you have massive mailboxes, 100 gigs plus, and basically that's your archive. With journaling, it allows you to go back into time. You can go and pull information about the original mail that was sent, etc. And it's not to catch people out, but by default, there is no journal rule set up in Exchange. You have to configure this. So if you log into the Exchange Admin Center and you click on Compliance Management, and we head over to Journal Rules, you click on the plus button. It's actually very easy to configure it. You can specify a let's call it user1 at theexchangelab.com. My org journal rule, and you can basically specify you want a journal for a specific user group or apply to all messages, and again you can say journal the following messages, and you can select all messages, or you can select internal external messages only. Now it does tell you to use premium journaling you must have an enterprise CAL. Now we all know that for every user in Exchange you need to have a license, and obviously because you want to access this kind of feature which is more enhanced and you can do more, etc., you have to have an enterprise CAL, so it comes with a cost, but nevertheless most companies do pay it. Once you're done there, you click save. It will ask you, do you want to apply this to all future messages? You go yes, and you basically sending your journal reports to, etc. And if you now go edit this, you can go and change it if you want to a specific user. Let's say I want user 2. I can click save, and there you go. If it was blank, means it's all users. And then you'd obviously have a different connector set up as well, probably for your journaling. You'll be sending to, if it's Mimecast, probably 1 or 2 sets of addresses. If it's Symantec, you'll have 1 or 2 as well. Microsoft, you'll be sending to 365. It just depends on where you're going to be archiving to. If it's Spam Experts, then it will be going to your mail filter servers or your filtering servers, wherever you have them located. Thank you very much for watching.